First, be sure you have VRCFury and one of these shaders installed in your project beforehand. And then, while your project is open, double-click the Unity package. Go ahead and click Import. It will be located in Vio_clothes. And then this particular outfit I just imported is the street fit. And here we have the tee, the headset, and the pants. You can open up one of these. Yours might look more like this, by the way. You can click down here to change it into a list if you prefer that. But it will be in VRCFury Prefabs, Nova, or your avatar. And for PC, we want to do PC. You just click, drag, and drop it on the name of your avatar. And now if I want to sync the Quest version, I have a separate Quest avatar right here. And I can double click the Quest folder, click, drag, and drop it on. To change the material, go back up in the folders, and then in the materials folder, you'll see Lil Tune materials, Poi for Poyomi materials, and Quest materials. So when I'm on the Quest avatar, I want to put on the Quest materials if I want to change them. You can preview them when they're a little bigger like this. Now I want to change it to the same material on the PC version. And the shader I'm using is Poyomi, so I want to click on the Poyomi materials, click, drag, and drop it on. Now they have the same material. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. There's an invite to my Discord in the description. Bye.